I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connection. Look for case LED and at least 10-15 minutes of charge. Once done, place both buds snugly in the case and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds to clear pairing memory, because most one-sided failures are pairing glitches. Next, turn Bluetooth off on your device, wait 5 seconds, and turn it back on. This removes stale profiles so the earbuds can re-establish a fresh link. If one bud still fails, proceed to targeted isolation. You now isolate the problem by testing buds individually. Remove one bud and play audio, then swap and test the other. This shows whether hardware or sync is at fault, because a working solo bud means the other is likely unpaired or defective. Once identified, use the manufacturer app to check firmware. Update if available, since many fixes come from simple firmware patches. If the suspect bud still fails, clean the charging contacts next, because poor contact prevents charging and causes. You finish by cleaning the charging contacts. Dampen a cotton swab with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol, gently clean pins, and let everything dry completely, because corrosion or dirt often causes one bud to stop charging. Then perform a factory reset per the manual, reset both buds, repair them as a pair, and verify stereo audio. If you still get one side not working, contact support or use warranty service. Troubleshooting tip: test with a second phone to rule out device-specific Bluetooth issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.